A king, a titan, a force of nature so vast, its gravity bends the very sun. Look at it, a realm of perpetual storm. Painted in hues of amber, white, and a furious, ancient red. It is a masterpiece of chaos, the largest thing in our sky, save for the sun and moon, a beacon of raw power. But its beauty is a lie. Today, we are not just observing a planet. We are confronting the king. Let's start with a fact that redefines big. Jupiter is not just a planet. It is the planet. Its mass is 2.5 times greater than every other planet in our solar system. Mars, Venus, Earth, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, all of them, their total mass is just a fraction of this single world. This gravitational dominance makes Jupiter the solar system's ultimate architect and executioner. In our ancient past, its fierce pull likely destroyed infant worlds, preventing another planet from forming. It violently sculpted our neighborhood. Yet, today, it may be our silent guardian. Its immense gravity acts as a cosmic shield, hurling dangerous comets and asteroids away from the inner solar system or swallowing them whole. Behold the Great Red Spot, a hurricane that has raged for over 400 years. So vast, our entire planet could be dropped into it. It is a perpetual, churning mystery. Why is it red? Why has it lasted centuries? We are still piecing together the clues, but it stands as a monument to the alien, endless violence of this world. But what lies beneath the clouds? The truth is more bizarre than fiction. As you descend, the pressure doesn't just increase, it transforms matter itself. The familiar gas becomes a vast, hot ocean of liquid hydrogen. Deeper still, under pressures we cannot replicate on Earth, that hydrogen is crushed into a metallic, flowing form. It is an electrical superconductor, and it is the source of Jupiter's crown jewel, its magnetosphere, a magnetic field so powerful it dwarfs Earth's. If it were visible in our sky, it would appear larger than the full moon. It creates auroras at the poles that are hundreds of times more energetic than our own, and it carves a protective bubble in the solar wind that stretches all the way to Saturn's orbit. Jupiter is a paradox, a beautiful, swirling terror, a destructive force that safeguards our pale blue dot. It is a reminder that in the cosmos, power on this scale is not about creation or destruction. It is the king, and we are merely subjects in its vast gravitational realm. This king also has a court, 79 known moons. Among them are worlds of fire and ice, volcanic Io, tormented by gravitational tides, icy Europa, hiding a secret ocean, these are not mere rocks, they are full-fledged worlds, each a story for another day. So, is Jupiter a failed star? In a sense, it lacks the mass to ignite the nuclear fusion that defines a star. It would need to be 75 times more massive to become even the faintest red dwarf. But in its own right, it is a stellar entity, a substellar powerhouse that generates more heat than it receives from the sun, driving its eternal storms and shaping the destiny of everything around it. Jupiter is wrapped in the most powerful radiation belts in the solar system. This isn't just bad for electronics, it's a death sentence for life. The radiation near its moon Io is so intense it would kill an unshielded human in mere hours. Our probes that have flown through this hell have been permanently scarred by it. And then there are the storms. Without this giant standing watch, Earth would be bombarded far more often. Jupiter is both the destroyer and the protector, but to get close is to enter a zone of pure annihilation. This is not a place for life. This is a physics engine, a radioactive furnace, a gravitational god whose whims shape the fate of our entire solar system. Jupiter does not merely orbit the sun, it forces the sun to share their dance. It rips apart worlds before they can form, and it holds a tempest within its grasp so vast, our own planet could vanish inside it, and it would barely notice. What is this monster right next door? What secrets churn beneath those endless, beautiful clouds? Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments what planet you'd like us to confront next. Until then, keep looking up